What's up guys, it's me back again with another music production video. Today we are making a long-awaited future bass melodic dubstep. So I don't have any much more to say, let's just go. Yeah, it's good. So we have the starting melody, bass 9, that we're gonna build the chords on. Also I have a bass. A Reese bass. Really beefy. Then I have a chord stacks here from the Jarn tutorial. So I'm just gonna do this. So what I'm about to show you is a little bit mind-blowing. I started using AutoHotkey to create scripts for Ableton, and I made a bunch of scripts that allow you to do a bunch of different things. They speed up your workflow a ton. They save you so much time. They're so game-changing. Basically what AutoHotkey is it allows you to click one button or a combination of buttons, and this combination of buttons will trigger a script. So one of the scripts I made is a couple of, like, the mouse goes to green and searches a certain effect and it drags the effect onto where the mouse was in the initial position. So let's say I want to EQ here. I'm just clicking one combination of keys. Bam! EQ loaded. Transient master. Bam! Free clip. Hell yeah! That's super easy, but what's really cool, what a really cool script I made is for making chords. So I'm just gonna see what chord this is gonna be. That's gonna be a major chord, right? So I'm just gonna click this, bang! And we have a chord. Put this here. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about this because I don't want to take too much time off this video just talking about it. I'm gonna make a specific video about it. What we are gonna do is we're gonna add some drums. Yeah, kick, and then we go to snares. Ooh. Okay, so I want transient shaper. Bang! Also cymbal loops. Well, that's really good, but I don't want these guys. Okay, last thing for drums, what we are gonna need is like a ride in the background. So I have some cool rides in Galaxy. So another cool shortcut is this one that just duplicates it like 3 times. Okay, so what we're gonna do is a pretty simple dubstepy thing, melodic dubstepy thing. We're gonna use a utility that I have here on the chord group to cut the volume when the snare hits, or like in between the chords. Also, we have to get rid of this ride here and these hi-hats. We can make this one longer. Okay, so because we are connecting 2 genres, I'm gonna do the lead thing on top of the chords. Yes, we're gonna make a build-up, but a little bit later. Now I wanna add some vocals. I don't wanna. So first step when you want to process some vocals is OTT. As you can hear, there are some transients, so I would just... Then some EQ. I hear some lows. We can add some reverb then. Then we can add an EQ with the top cut, just like that. And then we can add a saturator with like drive like 20, frequency like 300, and depth like 7. Afterwards, stop and EQ to get rid of these low ends that just has been created. Also the reverb put at the end. Check different types of saturation. Now we slap a pitch monster for some chorus effect. Maybe pitch up. We can do form and shifting right here. Doesn't change much actually. You know what we can try? We can try vocal synth also. We're gonna maybe do something with it a little bit later. Now I want to focus on some other parts. Let's maybe do a lesson like this. Like that, low cut like that. And then I'm gonna use like a respace. Now we need a clap. Like this one. Also, we need to make a pre-clap sweep. So what we can do is we can take this clap here, warp this guy, stretch it a lot, then use the texture mode. It's gonna do something like this, then consolidate it. Oh yeah, do another thing. Stretch it. Something like this, consolidate, and then texture. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Cool, so we got some glitches. This is pretty good. That's gonna work really nicely as a pre-clap. Let's put this here as well, and let's take another part. Pretty good. Let's add a reverb on this guy. Yeah, let's automate the length of the reverb, and at the end I'm just gonna make it long. Cool. Pretty cool. Well, we can duplicate this and add a cymbal loop. Pretty nice. Now let's go and pick drum fill that we're gonna put right in this place. Also, I'm gonna just delete all these guys. Yeah. Take this kick and just do like a sweep, reversed kick. Add a sweep transition. Let's take this one. Bang! Unwarped. Sick. This is sick. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to do a little bit of like a sound design thing. I'm gonna resample the whole drop. Do what I want to do. This guy. Consolidation. Then we get these percussion things. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna use a texture mode and pitch it up. I'm gonna put some reverb on it. OTT. Some pitch monster thing. Whoa, really? I think we shouldn't include drums. So let's just do a little bit resampling here. So that's all we need. It's a little bit drunk. Oh yes, we can resample only the vocals. Texture is super sick. -5. So I need more vocals then. How about taking, what's this?
I don't wanna be in love.
That's cringe, bro. That's cringe.
Take me home.
I don't want to do like, take these cliche vocals. These are pathetic. How can you say these things?
Lights dim, but you
Be strong, bruh. Don't be a pussy. So let's make a quick build up for it, this tune. Take these guys. The automation. Something like this. Like that. Automate this rate like here. Cool, and add this here. Let's just go and automate this volume now. And I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't work when it shouldn't. I'm gonna just turn off the automation right here. Pretty good, pretty good. So I'm gonna use one of the drum loops, build-up drums I made recently. I made a lot of drum loops, as you can see. Build-up drums. Like ba 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 ba. Just want to has, not as. That's pretty good. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Pretty decent melodic future dubstep. Cool, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. See ya in the next one and have a nice day or night. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.